Welcome to accountancy class. I am your account teacher Gurpreet Osan. We will discuss the second chapter of accountancy class plus 2. The name of the chapter is partnership accounts. In this chapter we discuss the basic concepts of partnership. Now start. What is capital account? Capital account is a personal account. In any form of the organization, capital account is open. For example, in case of sole trader, there is only one capital account is open because in this type of organization, one person can control all the activities of the business. For example, he cannot share the secrets of the business, he cannot share the profit of the business, and so on. But in case of partnership, all the partners have maintained the capital account. There are two different methods to maintain the capital account. The first one is fixed capital accounts method and the second one is fluctuating capital accounts method. Now we discuss the first method, fixed capital accounts method. Under this method, the partners maintain two different types of account. The first one is capital account, the second is current account. In capital account, there are three different types of figures are included. The first one is opening capital, second is additional capital, and the third is withdrawal. The first one is opening capital. When the person enter partnership firm, they can spend some amount of money, that is opening capital. Second one is additional capital. Partner of the firm can add some amount of money, that means additional capital. If the person withdraw out of capital of the firm, that is withdrawal amount. Now students, you can see the performer of capital account. The second remember thing is that capital account is always show the liability side of the balance sheet. The second one is current account. All other transactions like drawings, interest on capital, share of profit and loss, any salary, commission, bonus of the partners are recorded. In some items are effect on the debit side and credit side of the current account. But one thing is remember that the opening and closing balance of the current account which may be debit or credit balance. If closing balance is a credit, then this is recorded on the liability side of the balance sheet, but in case of debit closing balance, then it has been recorded on the asset side of the balance sheet. Students, it is the important point, so please remember that. Now you can see the performer of current account. Now the second one is fluctuating capital account method. Under this method, the partners of the firm are maintain only one account, that means partners capital account. All the transactions of the firm are under the one head. You can see the previous method. Two accounts are maintained, that means capital account as well as current account. But under this method, all the transactions related to the additional capital, withdrawal capital, drawing, interest on capital, salary, fee, commission of the partners, share of profit and loss are recorded in the capital account. If the balance of the capital is credit, then it is recorded in the liability side of the balance sheet. But in case the balance is debit, then it is recorded in the asset side of the balance sheet. Now students, you can see the performer. I hope students you like this video. Thank you.